school super soakers. There's a whole bin full. I know these are worth some bread, so I might buy all these. Super soaker. Decided to get one of the Nerf guns. Right there. The other ones is all broken up, so I'm not gonna mess with those. We got this.
Glad to get rid of the pop.
And then that one, 5.
3 boys cleaning?
5.
Did you say you have 3 boys cleaning at home?
I'm sorry?
Did you say you have 3 boys cleaning at home?
I wish they was cleaning. I got 3 boys at home.
Okay, yeah.
They probably not cleaning.
Oh, I couldn't get them.
They ain't on the cleaning.
Nah, they ain't. That's it. I just got 5 of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
2438.
Alright. What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel.
Yes, sir.
Over at the office. And these gonna be some of my last days over here. Like I said in some of my other YouTube videos, it's just time to move on. I only use this for storage, so there's no need for me to pay money for an office if I'm not working out of it, because this is not my full-time job. So I really don't have time to just come over here and sit and work and do stuff. If this is my full-time job, I could justify it. I'd be putting out a lot more, I'd be posting a lot more, and this would probably be a nice little getaway spot to come and list, because the price wasn't that bad. But a storage unit is cheaper, so I'm moving all this stuff to a storage unit and just gonna kind of go back and forth, work out of there, and also my garage. I think I might have hit gold over at the thrift store. I'll let y'all know, man. A little later, I got about 5 super soakers and then like a Nerf gun from back in the early 2000s. And I've sold a super soaker like that before, and I know those do big money. But we'll check all that out when we get home. Just kind of wanted to show you the progress I made. I did this, and over here, I got some little stuff I gotta get out. Big stuff, like I said, I got out with the U-Haul, a lot of this other stuff. I'm just gonna come over here in this last week or so, then I'm gonna be here and just try to get it all out slowly but surely, right? So anyway, I gotta run over to my storage unit anyway. I'll let y'all see how full that thing is, and because I gotta pick up a couple things to ship, and then we get home and look and see what I can make, I possibly make on these super soakers. All right, let's go. Listen, guys, I don't care what type of system you got. If you ever moved since you've had your eBay, Poshmark, or whatever type of business you got, it's a pain when it comes to trying to find something. You know, I thought I had a good system. I do have a good system. You know, I got everything labeled out. I do all my custom SKUs. I know pretty much exactly what everything is. But you know, you got those unusable items that you can't put in the bin or something. You got to send them here on the shelf here, a shelf there. And of course, when you're moving, somebody buys something and it's a pain in the butt to try to find. So I'm going to my storage unit now. I'm in my storage unit now. I'm actually walking up on the floor right now. Lights turn on. There we go. And I'm opening it up, and hopefully there's a pair of sunglasses. Now, sunglasses shouldn't have been able to fit in the bin, but I remember taking those out and doing something to them, and hopefully I can find them when I get in here. So we about to see. I gotta try to find them in this mess. I'm gonna put this down. I'll let y'all know if I can find them. I think it's in one of these boxes, to tell you the truth. I think I said, you know what? I'm gonna put the stuff that I got listed in these boxes. Let's see. No luck. It don't actually have to be shipped to tomorrow, so my stupid butt went to the grocery store before I came here, and I got some stuff that can melt in the car. And it's hot as HELL hockey sticks outside. You understand what I'm saying? So I might come over tomorrow, later today, but it's a pain. I don't want to have to cancel it. Anyway, let's go home and check out these super soakers. Some big old guns. I was talking about these guns though. Listen,
What is this?
don't even think about it, okay?
What?
These are not for you. These are for sale.
No.
You don't even know what they are.
Nerf guns.
No. One of them's a Nerf gun, but they old water guns that I grew up to. Well, early 2000s. I was already an adult, but these were the best water guns ever. The stuff that they make today is terrible. These are called super soakers.
Super soakers.
These. I'm about to show you. They worth a lot of money. I'm about to go over them, and I'm gonna let them know how much these things is worth. All right.
With these?
All right. Listen. Yeah. See how big those things are? Look, gigantor, ain't they? Listen. We gonna test them all to make sure they work, because of course you don't want to sell them without doing that, right? So I'm sure you're gonna have fun doing that, right? Anyway, so let's fill them up. Let's go out back and see if they work. Is it getting hard? All right. So right now we testing the the Super Soaker 4100. I seen this one go for some crazy prices. I put it on the screen like 130, 150, something like that. All right, we testing it and shoot, see what happens. Oh, pump it back up some more. Get your hand off the trigger. Pump it up. There you go. My son don't know nothing about no Super Soakers. Pump it up till it gets hard. All right, shoot again. That's a nice little string. This one right here is the Super Soaker 1500. It's the smaller one. Those are the ones I got. Pump it up. Right here.
You pump it up? How do you pump it up?
It's too heavy for you, ain't it? Come on, hold it. You got them little bitty baby on.
Here?
There you go, yeah.
Bruh.
There you go. There you go, like that. Then grab it. Pump it. There you go. Keep pumping it, too. Alright, this is the Super Soaker 3000. We're gonna give this one a try. It comes in a nice little pack. So we're gonna
How do we get the good angles?
pump it up. This gets you a lot of water quick. A lot of water quick. Super Soaker 3200. This one right here, it brings some good money. I've seen one go for like 200, so almost for 300 or something. This one right here is the money maker. Ready? Slow mo. And the last gun was just this Nerf gun, which I have a love-hate relationship with Nerf guns. I started to leave this one, but I got this one because just the tripod and the bullets alone I see selling on eBay. Those are some good money. It's like, look, the bullet casings right there, $20. Tripod, $15. So people really need the accessories off the gun more than anything. It was $7. I bought it. Probably should have left it, but it's all good. I mean, but these do good. I mean, I'm gonna make money on it. $7. Let me see. I see one went for best offer 75, 50. You know, it's a different one. Anyway, so yeah, and all in all, 27 turned into, heck, I might can make like $400 off this. I'm guessing. Is that right? I don't know. I added up and put it on the screen. So in all, I actually spent $24.38 for everything. All right. So I'm gonna take that off the total of the Tesla picker, and also I sold some other things. Real quick, I just want to do a quick what sold to let y'all know what sold as far as the Tesla picker fund. Can't even talk. The Tesla picker fund sold. I got some other stuff that sold, but that's not actually going towards the truck. So I sold a Aruba hat. I sold a couple pair of boxes, some vintage Hanes boxes, 2003, sold for real good. I also sold some pruning balloons for $29. Those sold pretty good. What else did I sell for the Tesla picker fund? Sold a Rolex hat for $18. That's a nice one. Sold a K-Swiss hat for $10. Always good. What else did I sell? Sold a Stripes hat, which I'm glad for $34.99. That actually did pretty good. It's a vintage AT&T hat. Great hat. Paid $1 for it. $35, you can't beat that. So the other pair of shocks, the Tesla 2002 shocks that I got for $2 at the yard sale, if y'all can remember, ended up selling for $50. I took a best offer. I think I had them listed for $69.99. Took a $50 offer. I only paid $2. I love that. Sold another pair of shocks, $50. Same thing. I had them listed for $69.99. Took $50 best offer. Paid $2. Can't beat that. I actually got both of those shoes the same day. Sold that receiver, man. Y'all remember that big 40-pound receiver that I got at a yard sale? Actually bought that and something else. The CB radio actually sold last week, and then this receiver disc. So Took a best offer for $204. I had it listed for like $245 or something like that. So I was glad to see this over $200 offer. I only paid $35 for it. $54 shipping on it. You can't beat that, man. You buy something for $35, flip it in a week or two for over $200. Great sale. Now packing it is gonna be a pain in the butt. And that's it. You know, I add all that to the Tesla pickup phone. Y'all see the total right there. You know, slowly but surely we growing this, you know what I'm saying? I haven't been listing like I'm supposed to because I've been so busy with everything within the last couple of weeks because of this move. But hey, we getting into it. We about to go crazy and we about to see these numbers start to go up, up, up. The Cybertruck probably ain't gonna drop till like later next year anyway. So I got probably a year to stack for it. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Great day today. Picked up some nice pieces, sold some nice pieces. That's what we here for, right? Make sure y'all tune in to the next one, all right? Peace.